This is the part second of that video. Actually, sorry for that. My phone actually hung. I don't actually know what's wrong with it, but this is the part two of the video. So now this is the one we copy Dr. AI. As you can see, Dr. AI, and we paste it here. You can see it passed, and the previous one actually give us risks, 7 risks. So it actually passed, and in 24 hours it has done 321%. So let's assume you have $1 or you put $5 and leave it to this moment 24 hours ago, you should be able to cash out big bag. So let's quickly check another site again, rockcheck.xyz. Look at the one we checked, the previous one, the previous analysis, and let's quickly check it. Let's quickly check this doctor's. So this is Dr. AI, and it's actually giving me a good signal here, but still I will still further with my research, and the liquidity pool is 99%. Look at it, custodial domain clean, and market locked. Wow, this is good coin. So the project locked. Radium is holding 89 million, that is 8.88. The top orders are holding 16. Well, it's not bad, but my own rule is if they are actually holding more than 15, I am not going to buy, no matter how good the project is. So let's quickly go to our Telegram and check it on Telegram as well. If Telegram tell me. So you see, sometimes you just need to be very careful with these guys. And you see it was launched 16 hours ago. Liquidity pool 100%, renounce, mintable no, and the market cap 651. And you can see, just take a look at it. So the top 10 orders are 13%. You can see now the Telegram has given me. So let's assume I am able to carry out this transaction before I should be able to. I'm on track. So my rules is the top 10 orders should not be, it shouldn't be more than 15%. So 10% is okay by me, 13% is okay by me. So I will advise you to go ahead and do your research before you go. This video is for educational purpose. So with just your $5, $10, you should be able to make at least not less than 200, 300 with MemeCoin. That is how MemeCoin is. MemeCoin is not like other coins. MemeCoin is just a fun coin that people cash out. Some people cash out and some people go to other side crying. So let me quickly take you again to their Telegram. Let's do the complete audit. So in my next video, I am going to show you how to track Wall's wallet. And what do you mean? What do you understand by Wall's wallet? Those are the wallets of big boys in the town that actually buy. If you are like me, a lazy like me that doesn't have any idea and doesn't want to do work by myself, I just want to be copy those guys trading. I want to be buy the coins those guys are buying, those big boys. I want to be buying those coins they are buying. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to start tracking their wallet. So as you can see now, it's increasing. In last 6 hours it has done 258, and now it's currently 593. You can see it's still booming. So what we need to check now is we need to check their website. Look at it. The go to the moon is 137, on fire is 7, sheets it's 9, and red flag is 14. So it's actually okay by me with this. And the desk screener has done their audits as well. So let's quickly check their Twitter and also their Telegram. I don't know. So like I said, please kindly subscribe and also support our community. Let's build this community together. Together we will excel. This is 2025. I did for you, you did for me. So and I also drop, they have only 942. Let me go and search them on their Twitter AI, Dr. AI. Let me search them on their Twitter. So this is our Twitter. You can actually follow us as well. I drop this after our analysis. We actually drop, but this is not like other shitcoin that we just rock pull. This is a normal coin that we do our analysis and they actually boom. Look at this. All these are the one I dropped. Look at this. I actually dropped this also. Look at it. And you can see after I drop this one, and you can see this one has actually, it has actually hit our target here. So and others as well, they actually hit our target. So if you're interested, you can follow us as well. So let's quickly check Dr. AI. Dr. AI. Sorry. Oh, I think I need to go again. Okay, this is it. This is Dr. AI. I think this is their coin. I'm not sure if this is not them. Let me pause the video and let me quickly search for it. Okay, this is their X Twitter, and you can see they actually posted 16 hours ago. So this is not just the confirmation, they can also manipulate, like the previous one we check, they actually manipulate it, and that is how some of them normally do. They will manipulate it so that you will know that you will believe in them. Those people are very dangerous, but this look like clean. Let's check their, let's go back again. Let's check their Telegram. So please kindly do your research before you dive into this market. This market is booming. It's actually a money making machine, but as well it's very dangerous. So this is their Telegram. So they, meaning that they look legit small. To me, if I have seen this one as early as maybe like 4 hours launch, I will have dived into it. Because they look so transparent. Look at it, they look transparent. So I think I am good to go with this, but I am not buying now for now. So just like I said, carry do your own research, and also don't forget to like and support us. We will actually appreciate if you want to trade with us. We will start giving out signal to our platform, like our Telegram, Twitter, and also Instagram as well. So you can go ahead and search for Bida Tech on Telegram. You will see our platform. You join us. So we don't take money from anybody. Please beware of that. We don't take money from anybody. We actually make our own money online as well, and we are willing to assist you, help you to also make your money as well. But this the video, as I say, is for educational purpose. But if you want to trade with us, you can follow us on our Twitter as well. So we really appreciate. Thank you.